Hi there! Welcome to our channel, Learning Languages by Listening and Practicing. Let's start.
Scenario 1. Initial negotiation meeting.
Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Johnson. I'm excited to discuss your interest in the property. What are your initial thoughts?
We love the house, but the asking price is a bit above our budget.
I understand. Let's explore some negotiating strategies. Are there specific features or conditions that are deal breakers for you?
Well, we were hoping for some flexibility on the closing date, and the kitchen might need some upgrades.
Noted. I'll communicate your preferences to the seller. We'll work on finding a compromise that suits everyone.
Scenario 2. Counteroffer discussion.
We received your offer, and it's a bit lower than we anticipated.
We love the property but need some room in our budget for potential renovations.
I see. What if we meet halfway on the price and I'm open to discussing the contribution towards closing costs?
That could work for us. How about we also shorten the closing timeline?
That's reasonable. Let's draft a counteroffer that outlines these adjustments.
Scenario 3. Addressing inspection findings.
We had the property inspected, and there are a few issues that need attention.
I appreciate your honesty. What are the major concerns?
The roof needs repairs, and there's some plumbing work required. Can we revisit the price to accommodate these fixes?
Let me consult with my contractor and see what estimates we can negotiate. We want the deal to move forward smoothly.
That sounds fair. We want to ensure the property is in good condition before finalizing the purchase.
Scenario 4. Financing terms discussion.
We've secured a mortgage pre-approval, but the interest rate is a bit higher than expected.
I understand your concern. I'll reach out to our preferred lenders to see if there's any room for negotiation or if they can offer a better rate.
That would be helpful. A lower interest rate would significantly impact our monthly payments.
I'll do my best to negotiate favorable financing terms for you. Let's keep the lines of communication open.
Scenario 5. Finalizing closing details.
We're approaching the final stages of the transaction. Any outstanding concerns or requests before we proceed to closing?
We were hoping for a quicker closing to expedite our relocation. Is that feasible?
I'll check with the title company and make sure all documents are in order. If everything aligns, we can aim for an expedited closing.
Great. We appreciate your assistance in making this process as smooth as possible.
My pleasure. Let's work together to ensure a successful closing for both parties.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.